Hi, this is Evan. Today, we are visiting a Fastener Machine Factory. Let me show you around. But first, let me briefly introduce what kind of company we are. We are an integrated technology company combining engineering, trading, and manufacturing support. We help our clients do two main things: develop electronic products and optimize their supply chain in China. Procurement, including machinery sourcing, is one of our core service areas. Now, let me explain why we are standing inside a machinery factory today. So, what exactly are fasteners? They include bolts, screws, nuts, washers, rings, and weld pins, etc. Fasteners are often called the rice of industry, small in size but absolutely critical. Where are they used? Almost everywhere. Cars and trucks, airplanes, building structures, home appliances, electronics, energy equipment, medical devices. Without fasteners, nothing stays together. No machine runs reliably, no product is safe. That's why fastener quality directly affects product performance and why the machinery that makes fasteners must be reliable. The global fastener market is growing steadily, especially for high precision and high strength fasteners. China is the world's largest producer and exporter of fasteners, and demand continues to rise. Why? Three main drivers: electric vehicles needing lightweight, reliable fasteners, smart home appliances and industrial automation, renewable energy, wind and solar power require corrosion-resistant, high-strength fasteners. But here is what many buyers miss. The real bottleneck is not fasteners themselves, it's the machinery that produces them. That's where the opportunity and the risk lies. Now, why Guangdong? Guangdong has one of the most complete fastener industry supply chains in the world. From raw materials, cold heading machines, thread rolling machines, heat treatment, to service finishing, everything is here. The machinery manufacturing level is very high, automated, precise, and fast. And within Guangdong, Guangdong is a special hub. Supplier density is extremely high. You can find machinery for every production step. Logistics and transportation are well developed. In one day, with one car, you can visit 5 to 7 different machinery factories, compare performance, check real machines, talk to engineers directly. This convenience saves months of sourcing time, but only if you know which factories are trustworthy. Now, let me be very direct. Why should you buy fastener machinery or any industrial machinery from us? First, we use machinery ourselves because we help clients develop electronics products. We also run our own manufacturing support operations. We are not just traders, we are users of machinery. We understand uptime, processing, and maintenance costs from experience. Second, we have 16 years of hands-on supply chain experience in China. We know the difference between a factory that looks good on paper and one that delivers consistently. Third, we always visit suppliers in person. We never recommend a machine we haven't seen running. We check real production speed and stability, processing and repeatability, build quality and safety features, availability of spare parts and technical support. Fourth, we are a technology company, not just a sourcing agent. When we evaluate machinery, we also consider how it fits into your overall production process, including automation and quality control. We bridge the gap between product engineering and manufacturing equipment Fifth, we take long-term responsibility. If a machine doesn't perform as promised, we are the ones who visited the factory and made the recommendation that keep us honest. We don't disappear after the payment. In short, you get local presence, technical understanding, and accountability all in one partner. So, if you are looking to source machinery from China, especially fastener making equipment like cold headers, thread rollers, nut formers, typing machines, heat treatment lines, or sorting and testing equipment, we can help. But more broadly, if you need a partner to develop electronic products for you or optimize your existing China supply chain or procure machinery or other industrial equipment, we welcome a conversation. Our services include supplier screening, on-ground factory visits, side-by-side machine performance comparison, commercial negotiation, inspection and shipping coordination. You don't need to fly to China and gamble on unknown suppliers. We are already here. Okay, that's today's share. Bye bye.